Hello everyone, this is Cyril from the IT Bros. After installing the latest Windows updates, I noticed a new system reserved drive had appeared in File Explorer on my Windows 11 laptop. In this video, I'll show you how to safely hide this partition by removing its drive letter and whether it's possible to delete the system reserved partition entirely. The easiest and safest way to hide the system reserved partition is to remove its assigned drive letter. Open the Disk Management console. In this example, the computer has a single physical disk. At the beginning of the disk is the System Reserved partition, which has been assigned drive letter E. The System Reserved partition is created automatically during Windows installation on BIOS or MBR-based systems. It stores the Windows Boot Manager, the boot configuration data store, and other boot-related files. Depending on the Windows version, its size typically ranges from 100 MB to 550 MB. To verify that this partition contains the Windows boot files, open a command prompt and run the bcdedit command. As you can see, the Windows Boot Manager entry points to the System Reserved partition currently assigned drive letter E. By default, the System Reserved partition is hidden and should not appear in File Explorer. If it becomes visible, you can safely remove its drive letter without affecting the Windows boot process. Right-click the partition, select Change Drive Letter and Paths, and remove the assigned drive letter. The System Reserved partition will no longer appear in File Explorer. It's also possible to delete the System Reserved partition completely. In most cases, this is unnecessary and not recommended. However, if you need to remove it, you must first move the Windows boot files to the Windows System partition. Boot the computer from external media, such as a Windows installation USB drive or a Windows PE or Live CD environment. At the Windows Setup screen, press Shift plus F10 to open a command prompt. Use the diskpart command to identify the disks, partitions, and their assigned drive letters. Run the command list disk and verify that the system contains only one physical disk. Next, run list volume. This displays the drive letters assigned to partitions in the recovery environment. In this example, the System Reserved partition is mounted as C, while the Windows partition containing the operating system and user data is assigned drive letter D. Select the disk and list its partitions. In this example, the System Reserved partition has an index of 1. Before moving the bootloader, use the diskpart to mark the Windows partition as the active partition. Next, run the bootrec command to rewrite the master boot record on the system disk drive, modifying the existing partition table. Then run bootsect, which updates the boot code on the target partition with bootmorm compatible boot code. Finally, use beakboot to recreate the boot configuration data store and copy the required boot files from the Windows installation on drive D to the new system partition, making it bootable. Restart the computer and verify that Windows boots successfully using the new bootloader location. Run the bcdedit command again. Confirm that the Windows Boot Manager now points to the Windows System Partition instead of the System Reserved Partition. After confirming that the system boots correctly, you can safely delete the System Reserved Partition using disk management. If needed, the remaining unallocated space can be used to extend other partitions. That's all. Like the video and subscribe our channel for more tips. Have a nice day.